Hi, is it the strategy or is it me? So, question that some people may be asking. Now, before you run off, some people get about 10 seconds in and they may get quite offended at some point, but hang on, because there is an offer at the end of here, which is completely free, by the way. Now, this could be a bit painful for some traders. It might be that I'm possibly having a dig. I am. It will potentially be highly beneficial. That's up to you. Stop here if you're not a serious trader. You're wasting your time. So let's get cracking. It's not you, it's me. How many times have you heard that statement? Well, once or twice at least. So it's an established fact that most traders actually lose money trading currencies, anything, equities, the lot. Most traders lose money, full stop. Why? It really got me thinking in terms of how many traders actually analyze why are they losing money. Now, is it the strategy or is it the trader? Now, a lot of people just don't know. So some questions. Are you really taking it seriously? Well, you've got this far in the video, so at least you're taking it more seriously than some. Do you actually do any analysis whatsoever regarding trading? Do you look at news? Do you do any analysis, or do you just get up, look at the charts and that's it, and not even test anything? Are you just searching the web continuously for free strategies when the last one didn't work, looking for the next one? Do you really understand the markets that you're trading? A lot of people never fail to amaze me in terms of they really do not understand what they're doing. In fact, there's a number which I quoted somewhere else, I'm sure recently, that 70% of traders have no other experience. This is Forex traders, have any other experience trading the markets. Do you attend every webinar and never take any action? Well, come on, we've all done that. Gone to the odd webinar thinking must do that, or even gone on to courses. And some people I know have paid massive amounts for courses, as much as £20,000 plus for people's courses, and they've yet to take any real action. There's probably some nice folders holding some doors open or sitting at the bottom of a drawer somewhere. Now, do you know when you're failing, whether it's your strategies or is it you? Now, some obvious things: are you taking profits too early before the strategy suggests you should? Now, the question here is, of course, is your strategy good enough in the first place to tell you when to take your profits, or at least give you a rule? Are you trading all the setups? Are you leaving some? Don't like the look of that one, only to go and see it win. Some of them you manage to pick some of the good best losing streaks going. Are you closing losing positions that are currently in play still, only to see them win? And this happens with a lot of people. I know this is a common factor. All these are common factors. Done some of them myself. Now, are you open? Here's an offer if you're really serious and if you're open to it. Basically, I'm determined to help traders become profitable. That's my goal as a business, is to help traders become profitable. I want to build a strong community of traders that take it seriously. So I'm offering an opportunity to join an experimental group. So it's up to you. It's going to run for about 3 months. It's either it's going to have webinar based in terms of relatively short, I should tell you, ideally about 30 minutes, but on a Wednesday or Saturday morning, or some weeks both. We'll see how we get. Initially, we may just need a quick 30 minutes here, quick 30 minutes there to see how things are going. Now, what I'm saying is, I know people can't attend everything, and to do something like this, it's quite a commitment, but you must attend at least half of the webinars and watch the others. I will record them, but if you're going to just sit there and come to just take every recorded webinar, I'm going to stop sending you them, because you've got to be taking trading seriously. Now, I know there's different time frames, but you're going to have to work with them, because the markets are only open for certain time frames. You've got to work with those. You can work with me on this. So you have to be willing to share your results only with me. I will share them as trader A, B, C, D if I share them in that format. But you've got to be willing to share your results. If you're not willing to share your results, we stop here, because I want to see results before and after. So when I say before, I want to know where you are roughly, what you're starting off with and what you're ending with. That's really what I don't care how much you've got, it really doesn't matter. I want to see what we can do. You have got to be willing to work it out. As I've already said, if you're not going to be attending anything and you're not willing to participate, I want people to talk to me. I'm not a radio service. At the end of the day, I'm there to help you and coach you and help you realize and work it out for yourself. If you're interested, email me at support@thepivottrader.com. So that's all you've got to do it. Now I'll give you some interesting facts as we go through here, as I've gone through here. One or two of the questions I've asked here, in fact I'll scroll back to them, I actually know some answers to this in terms of whether people actually test their strategies. Are they testing their strategies? Because I was speaking to someone the other day, and he said, and it's the guy that runs the Naked Markets, and he said that for every 100 people that sign up with him for their trial, only 3 to 4% actually do something. And it just sort of really got me thinking. It really got me quite angry in a sense, because they don't even use it. They don't even go through the basis of actually doing anything but sign up for it. And I just think, are you serious traders out there? Are there any serious traders left out there? I know some. I mean, I see him as a friend, Ehud. He regularly emails me with something he's found. He just literally is a source of, I found this, done this, whatever else. That's the sort of trader you need to be if you want to really take it seriously. Okay, so there we go. I wish you all the best for this. If I hear from you, I hear from you. You've got to email me, support@thepivottrader. If you really, I'll put it on there again. Where are we? There we are, support@thepivottrader. If you're really interested, just complete that. No cost whatsoever, completely free. Don't have to buy anything before, after, or anything else. It is just completely free. It's probably the best thing you could ever do. Potentially, it will certainly decide if you're really seriously going to be trading or not. So take care, catch you later.